Hey guys, welcome to Chubby Tales. माखन चोर, मस्तीखोर, flute player, romantic god, and a perfect Indian cowboy. Any guesses where I was? Yes, मथुरा, गोकुल. इतनी फनी चीजें हुई है ना हमारे साथ वहाँ. My sister Meghna and I decided to take a tour of Gokul. Little did we know that we were going to get a full blast of Lord Krishna's Bal Leela during our trip. मेघना और मैंने सोचा कि गोकुल जाएंगे तो वहाँ की वेशभूषा में ही. We arrived in Gokul dressed like village girls. Long mirror-work skirt with matching short blouses and a stole with loads of junk jewelry in our necks, ears, hands and big anklets in our feet. Gokul is a small town with many small houses painted yellow. Temples around narrow lanes. उस कुंज गलियों में चलना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. अरे क्योंकि गोकुल is full of cows, sheep, monkeys, pandas and cycle rickshaws. Meghna and I spent most of our day visiting various temples in Gokul. These temples were decorated with mogra flowers. People were chanting mantras and bhajans. कितना सुंदर, पायस एंड फ्रेग्रेंट एटमॉस्फेयर था वहाँ. हम बहुत सारा प्रसाद खा रहे थे, लेकिन जगह जगह चाट स्टॉल्स देख के मुंह में पानी आ गया. कचौरियों की तलने की आवाज, तलने की खुशबू. मेघना ने पहले मेरी तरफ देखा, फिर कचौरियों की तरफ, फिर रोने वाला चेहरा बना के उंगली उठा के बोली, राधे राधे. फिर क्या, हम दोनों ने ताव मारे. कचौरीज एंड आलू चाट, आहा, द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. हम इतने खाने में मग्न थे कि आई डिडंट रियलाइज आई वाज लीनिंग अगेंस्ट अ काउ. जब गाय मैया हिली और मुंह करके आवाज की, तब मेरी चाट आसमान में उड़ी और मेरे सर पे मीठी चटनी की मालिश हुई. गई बहस, उप्स, गई गाय पानी में. भैया पानी दोगे थोड़ा सा प्लीज. चाट वाला लुक्ड एट मी, सिर हिलाया एंड सेड, राधे राधे. Then he politely told me, बहन जी, यहाँ आप भाई साहब बोलना, भैया नहीं, इंसल्ट होता है. अब पेट फुल था and थक भी गए थे, so we decided to take an auto rickshaw for our final visit to a temple called Govardhan, situated outskirts of Gokul. We stopped an auto rickshaw. It was decorated with jhagmag lights and plastic flowers in the front. A beautiful picture of Radha Krishna on both sides. The auto rickshaw stopped. The auto driver got off the rickshaw to greet us. He wore jeans and a green color flowery shirt with open buttons. उसके हाथों में 10 अंगूठियां होंगी. Chewing गुटखा while speaking, he readily agreed to take us to the temple. बसंती से ज्यादा बकबक कर रहा था ये, और वो भी जोर जोर से, क्योंकि स्पीकर में भजन जो चल रहे थे. Engrossed in gupshup, we reached. I stepped out eagerly when we reached the temple and immediately let out a loud cry. Ah, yuck! मैं एक बड़े से warm, fresh गोबर के पाइल में अपना पैर डाल चुकी थी. My anklet and sandals were not to be seen. मेघना भाग के मेरी तरफ आई, क्योंकि वो समझ ही नहीं पा रही थी कि मैं क्यों चिल्ला रही थी. The moment she saw my plight, she burst out laughing hysterically and almost losing her balance. She staggered to a nearby banyan tree, put a hand on the trunk to steady herself, and at that precise moment, a monkey on top of the tree let out a long stream as he pissed directly on Meghna's head. Though I was standing in the cover, I burst out into a laughter. Meghna realized what happened and angrily shook her fist at the monkey. The monkey had by now decided that he is not going to deal with two crazy laughing girls and jumped away. We had not realized, but I think Krishna की मस्ती वाली बाल लीला शुरू हो चुकी थी. Luckily, there were taps to wash ourselves outside the temple. As we turned back after washing, I was greeted by a stream of warm water. Jack, a black and white guy with its backside in front of me had its tail up and pissed on me. Meghna again burst out into a familiar routine of laughing hysterically and shouted, तुम्हारे सारे पाप धुल गए बालिके. उसके ऊपर वहाँ एक पंडा था और वो बोला कि तुमने गोमूत्र का आशीर्वाद मिला है. ये वाली गाय सिर्फ सच्ची लोगों को ऐसे आशीर्वाद देती है। I didn't know whether to get amused or angry. फिर से we washed again and we proceeded towards the temple. मेघना ने मुझे बताया कि इस मंदिर में जाने के लिए सबको आंखें बंद करके घुटनों पर क्रॉल करके जाना होता है और मुड़ के पीछे बिल्कुल नहीं देख सकते। फिर क्या था, उन गीले कपड़ों में मैं और मेघना उन घाघरा चोली और सब ज्वेलरी के साथ started crawling with our eyes closed, heads bowed down, not looking behind. We crawled almost for 3 minutes before we reached the main idol of Lord Krishna. फिर जब आंखें खोली and we looked around, we saw no one crawling and in fact saw most of the people looking at us with some surprise and laughing. सब टेम्पल में चल के आ रहे थे to take दर्शन। मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि हम MTV पे बकरा बन गए। I glared at Meghna, who again got into a routine of hysterical laughter but controlled herself as we were in the temple. As we offered our prayers and walked out hitting each other and laughing aloud, our auto driver was waiting for us with 2 kullad ki lassi. With a mishkil smile, chewing pan in his typical Brijwasi tone, cynically laughing, said, आइए आइए, हुआ है मंदिर, हो गए दर्शन, खूब प्रसाद मिला आपको। On the way, he switched off his speakers and started laughing and said, कुछ सुनाए आपको? We said yes. आसमान से बरसती बारिश, कृष्ण जी करेंगे पूरी आपकी ख्वाहिश, गौमूत्र से धोए पाप, पुण्य हो गए आप, राधे राधे। हम सब हंस पड़े। As we got off the auto, carefully this time, a little boy came dashing from a nearby house and banged right into us. Without saying anything, he kept running away. Both of us had the kullards of lassi in our hands, and to our dismay, we dropped the lassi all over our lovely skirts. We shouted at the young boy, who looked behind with a mischievous smile and kept running. उसकी चंचल मुस्कान को देखते ही हमारा गुस्सा जैसे पिघल गया। ऐसे लगा कि ये कृष्ण की लीला अभी तक चल रही है और उसने पुराने जमाने की तरह गोपियों के मटकों से दूध दही गिरा दिया। मेघना and I looked at each other and for the final time laughed at our state. 2 city girls dressed like gopis, drenched with lassi in the middle of the street. So people, always remember, if you're going to a temple, you're going to a temple and not a wedding. Every temple has its rules. Check before you're going. Look around and down when you visit pious places. बाकी क्या? बोलो बाल गोपाल की जय। Okay friends, hasta la vista. फिर मिलेंगे हम लोग in the next episode of Chappy Tales.